Basically, that question was asking, what does it have any effect on our heart when we get the vaccine? Am I correct? Yes. Yeah. So, like this warrior shared earlier, the vaccine affects us differently, but what we know for sure is very safe. Regardless of your underlying condition, you will need that vaccine. In fact, you need it more than the people that have normal underlying conditions. The only issue that will stop you from getting that vaccine is, especially, you know, our kids growing up, they get their vaccines before they actually go to school. And kids that are recommended to sort of seek consultation are kids that get vaccinated and have allergic reactions. But when the vaccination team comes to the school, or if they take your child out to the school, there's a protocol in place where they interview you and also check your child out before they actually give you the vaccine. So it's not like you just show up and then they just start, vaccinating the child. There are steps in place for them to check if the child is safe enough to get the vaccine. In most cases, anyway, majority of cases, yes. The only holdback, like I mentioned, is just allergies. And part of that process, after they get vaccinated, there's a waiting period that is required, because that's where the allergies usually happen, within 20 minutes to an hour after you get your vaccines. So that's why the hospital is asking you to get these sit-around during the observation period, because if your child is allergic, they have medicine on hand already to be able to address it. So I hope that helped answer the question. Thank you. I think that's very important. I think other parents also have that same question. It is a vaccine for COVID. The first vaccine that we're giving out are Moderna and Johnson. They're also for COVID-19, but they're specifically for adults. Pfizer is basically just another company, but it's also for COVID-19. But the next one, Pfizer, is also for children. Moderna and Johnson right now doesn't protect children. It's not recommended for children.
once after. Lihat mas teman-teman, kasama nito Chuuk, paano kita cekis? Usung cermin dan divisi kiri seorang. Eberasa playoff, ikan, esok. Kita kenal kan? Kayak gitu apa yang kita besis ikan, esok pos dari cara terus. Di bawah.
Yeah, what everybody said is definitely true. I'm just going to try to maybe a different way of trying to explain it, combining with the question earlier, especially for a parent if they don't want the child to be married. So, like we mentioned, the vaccine, like you said, it's not a medicine to cure COVID. Yeah, the vaccine doesn't cure COVID. What it does is it teaches your body to recognize the virus, so that when you get infected, like you were asking earlier, like if you're vaccinated, can you still get infected? Yes, you will get infected, but your body recognizes it and knows how to fight against it. Right? So that's why you won't be very sick and you won't need to go to the hospital, and worst case scenario, the worst might happen. So the vaccine is not a new medicine. It's just teaching your body to recognize the virus so that your own body can learn how to fight it and not feel the worst cases of COVID-19. The reason why I want to bring that up is because the question earlier about a parent that might not want it. Like he was sharing earlier, we want our schools to be safe. All of us parents here want the best for our children. We don't want to give them something that we don't know about. So what we know so far is this medicine, it's not new like just last month. They started giving it out in the US months ago, and millions of this Pfizer vaccine has already been given out. Until today, no deaths have been associated to the vaccine. No deaths has been associated with that vaccine. Ms. Moria shared earlier, since June until now, all the COVID-related deaths globally are from people that are not vaccinated. Children, adults, elderly. So I know we all have our own beliefs and it's our own right to choose. But considering what he was sharing, now that our borders are slowly allowing repatriates back, even with the movement of ships, wouldn't we want to give our children the best opportunity to protect themselves? And this is our what we can offer right now, the vaccine itself. It's basically training your body to be able to fight back against it. Yes, there will be side effects of like minor pain in the arm, a little bit of fever. Some of us react to it differently, like we shared earlier, allergies. And your immunization program with the Department of Health have the medicine to try to remedy it immediately. That's why we need that observation. I know I spoke too fast and maybe a little too much combined in one sentence, but I'll try to ask Ms. Moria or the gentleman to try to help translate a little bit. So the question is, how long does your body retain this vaccine now? When Moderna first started, when Johnson & Johnson first started, these are new vaccines with a new disease, COVID-19. So from the studies that they had, they thought it would be only 1 year. But after 1 year, they tried to test the people that they got the vaccines. Their immune system still recognizes the virus. So they extended another year. 1 year turned into 2 years, and it's still ongoing. Once you train your body to remember the virus, it remembers it for the rest of your life. The reason why they're giving out boosters is because as we slowly age, our immune system just naturally slowly diminishes. Basically what the booster does is it recharges, it retrains your body to remember it. But once you get the first, so if you got Moderna 2 doses, if you got Pfizer the 2 doses, or if you got Johnson & Johnson the 1 dose, your body should remember it for the rest of your life. Yeah? The booster is recommended for people with weak immune systems. Their bodies recognize the virus, but it's just that it's just weakened. Yeah? But that's why we're offering also the boosters to adults, especially those with weak